To know. Know the city. Know your neighbors. To understand. Understand the text. Understand your friend. To walk. Walk in the park. Walk your dog. To want. Want a cake. Want a new bike. To keep. Keep eggs in the fridge. Keep your keys in the box. To like. Like pop music. Like books. I want a new ball. And I don't want that teddy bear. My parents understand German. But they don't understand Spanish. We like rock music. But we don't like pop music. We keep bananas on the table. But we don't keep them in the fridge. You walk on the beach when it's hot. But you don't walk there when it's cold. She likes her small town. But she doesn't like big noisy cities. His brother keeps his cars in the box. And he doesn't keep them under his bed. Alex walks in the city park. But he doesn't walk on the beach. My brother knows my friends. But he doesn't know our sister's friends. I don't need. You don't need. They don't need. You don't need. We don't need. He, she, it doesn't need. They don't understand you. They don't speak Spanish. He doesn't want that train, he doesn't like it. He doesn't have a car. He walks to work. We don't know you. You don't live on our street. I know that girl. I don't know that girl. They keep their books on the desk. They don't keep their books on the desk. My husband walks to work. My husband doesn't walk to work. His brother wants a dog. His brother doesn't want a dog. Their friend understands those people. Their friend doesn't understand those people. His sisters like horses. His sisters don't like horses.